Hi, my name is Chloe. I am a fifth-year design student at UC Davis, and here's my senior honors project, Dear Sister, which also took place at UC Davis. How familiar are you with space and space exploration? Did you know that only around 10% of astronauts are women? Space and its exploration is a fascinating topic. I decided to explore it through infographics on a small and understandable postcard format. Inspired by the analog information design Dear Data project by Georgia Lupi and Stephanie Posavic, Dear Sister is an analog infographic exchange between me, a graphic design student in the US, and my sister, an aerospace engineer in France with a master's degree in astrophysics. The main goal of the project is to explore ways to convey information related to space efficiently in a restricted format and to compare processes and approaches towards visual communication and information exchange. My sister and I have been mailing each other hand-drawn postcards based on a pre-established list of 10 different topics. Each time we were both assigned the same topic, same sources, and same format, but were given complete creative freedom in all other aspects. The first step of this process was to research each topic to narrow down the information we wanted to focus on. Then it was time to begin the design iterations. We went through a lot of sketches to try different layouts before drawing our final postcards. And here are the results. The first topic was the history of space exploration. We have very different takes on this, but it got us started and our designs continued to evolve. The second topic was the size and scale of the solar system, then the International Space Station, Mars, women in space, space exploration failures, the types of stars, and the future of space exploration. Once we were done drawing them, it was time to mail them, receive them, and collect them. In preparation for the undergraduate research conference, I created a survey with the first 5 postcards and shared it with 52 people from various backgrounds. One thing I wanted to measure was how successful each postcard was based on layout, color, content, and understanding. The results gave us insights into what worked best. Here, for example, my postcard was better in content and understanding, but not in terms of color. Another interesting feedback was how my postcards were overall better in layout, but not as successful in conveying the information. Also, I wanted to see if people's interest changed after seeing the postcards, and there was a slight shift towards a higher interest in space exploration, which was exciting. We still have 2 more postcards to go, a second survey for the last 5 topics, and a deeper analysis on the differences to gain better insight. I also plan to show the whole process and reflections in a final process book. Thank you for listening.